Hello guys, this is AB from Jordan 23.xiang and Jordan 23.net. We do have a business for global shipping, so if you guys are interested in our items, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can contact us Skype, Wechat, or TPP. Also, please subscribe, place your order in our site directly. Okay. And today I want to show you a Jordan 11 Bred. Your new colorway. We just got the sample. So first to check the sides. The Japanese here. Another side. Show you the top box. The top shoes. Okay, now let me turn to the back. The back of shoes 23 number here. And the button. The real carbon fiber. Also different with the old version. Okay, and the insole. Show you the insole. That comes the price tag. Yeah. Shoes price also different. Yeah. So if you guys are interested in items, so easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or TPP. I'm AB from Jordan 23.xiang and Jordan 23.net. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.